All right, so let's bring in Leah because you are not only got to have a great forecast for us, but also will be at Gasworks.
Yes.
That'll be so fun.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to be out there with Joyce Taylor on Tuesday evening. So if you're out there, come say hi. We'll be seeing the fun going on. So super excited about that. And I'm super excited about this sunset. Hey. Clear skies out there, really, truly. Madison, you've told me 1,000 times as a local, everybody knows summer doesn't start until 4th of July, but it certainly came early for us. We've really just lucked out with this beautiful weather, and it is going to continue into the next couple of days. I do have a couple concerns as far as fire risk is concerned. I'm going to show you that in just a moment, but we can first enjoy the sunset this evening. Bellingham is still showing off those beautiful hues this evening. Current temperatures have started to cool down, mostly into the 50s and 60s right now. Wenatchee still sitting at 73 degrees, but pretty mild night for us. Here's a look at our observed daytime highs from today. So most of us saw temperatures in the 70s and into the 80s as well. A couple 60s up in Bellingham, Oak Harbor, over along the Olympic Peninsula coast. We did peak right around that 70-degree mark, but SeaTac did hit 80 degrees today. So yeah, it was certainly warm today. Into tomorrow, a little bit of a cool down around Puget Sound, but honestly pretty close to what we felt today. So up to the north, once again, it's going to be a mix of 60s and into the mid 70s. So we'll kick that up a tiny bit up north. Around Central Sound and into the foothills, it's mid to upper 70s, definitely into those upper 70s as you push east. Down around South Sound, once again, we'll be hovering right around that 80-degree mark. So some areas in the upper 70s, but then some areas like Tacoma, Shelton, Belfair, looking to hit that 80-degree marker. Along the coast, once again, a little bit cooler, a mix of 60s and into the 70s. We'll see a lot of sunshine for tomorrow. We had that onshore flow, and that set us up for that marine push, which is what we saw really a lot of last week. We'd wake up to that morning cloud coverage. We're saying goodbye to that. So this is going to do a couple things for us. What it'll do is it'll mean more sunshine earlier in the day. So we'll wake up to sunshine in mid-50s for tomorrow morning with temperatures warming into the 70s. But what this is also going to do is this is going to dry out our air. When we say goodbye to onshore flow, we welcome offshore flow. And that means dry, warm air pushes in just in time for the 4th of July holiday. So temperatures will be warming up this week. We're in the mid to upper 80s. Definitely could see some 90s midweek. Tuesday through Thursday are the problem spots I'm watching when we have our warmest temperatures, lowest humidities, and then we'll also see some winds picking up. So that's going to be our highest risk for fire potential, something to keep an eye on. But beautiful skies for the 4th of July.